The tourism industry in Jammu and Kashmir is finally showing signs of recovery after the serious hit it took since the Pahalgam terror attack. Before Operation Sindoor, the valley had marked one of its best tourist seasons in recent years. Well, conditions are stabilizing now and tourists are returning to Kashmir Valley. Here's a report.
For the first time since the horror of the terror attack at the Pahalgam tourist resort on April 22nd, things are slowly coming back on track in the Kashmir Valley. Tourist arrivals have increased in the valley, especially to Pahalgam. Hotels and tour operators are reporting a rise in queries for Kashmir. The government is hopeful that tourism numbers will soon reach earlier levels.
लेकिन यहाँ एंटर होने के बाद हमें महसूस हुआ है कि भाई नहीं बस अब ठीक है, आर्मी तैनात खड़ी है। लेकिन एक अफसोस हमें है कि जिन हमारे मानस जिन लोग को टूरिस्ट लोग यहाँ आए थे उनको इतना बड़ा हादसा हुआ, तो हम यहाँ आके हमें भी थोड़ा रोना आता है कि हमारे सब को मार डाला, तो इसका हमें अफसोस है। और यहाँ हम श्रद्धांजलि दे रहे हैं कि भाई कभी भी ऐसा हादसा फिर से ना हो और सब सुरक्षित आए और बिना डरे आए।
Some tourists are urging the government to open all the tourist spots that have been closed since the Pahalgam incident.
I have come all the way from Udaipur, Rajasthan to enjoy the beauty of Kashmir, and we are enjoying it, having a blast here. Kashmir is very beautiful. People out here is too good, too cooperative and helping. और बस जो सारे पॉइंट्स हैं हम चाहते हैं कि वो सारे विजिट हो जाए, कुछ भी मिस ना हो, कोई भी एक सिंगल पॉइंट भी हमारा रह नहीं जाए। सो वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग कि ये ABC वैलीज खुल जाए और वो विजिट करें, हम उसका ही वेट कर रहे हैं। अभी हमारा और सोनमार्ग गुलमार्ग का ट्रिप बाकी है, आज हमारा 3rd डे है एंड वी हैव अ 1 week full itinerary.
Coming to Kashmir in itself was an awesome decision. We had booked ourselves from February. Unfortunately, it was quite dicey, yes, no. And then finally we were stuck to it that we'll wait for the last moment, and we are here for the day is our 3rd day. We are having an awesome time. It's crazy out here. The beauty is heaven on earth, as they call it, and we're just waiting for something on the higher level. If ABC opens up, that's what we are here for. An extra day we spent just for the announcement of the Chief Minister telling us that yes, you're free to go in there. And for the open public out there, come freely out here, guys. It's rollicking. Don't be feared. Don't be scared. There is the military out here, our people, the localites, they're all supportive. So, Jai Hind.
Chief Minister Omar Abdullah was seen cycling through the valley in a gesture meant to boost public confidence. He later chaired a crucial meeting. In a bid to attract more tourists, hotels and travel agencies have slashed their prices.
We are right now in Pahalgam market. It's been over a month since the Pahalgam attack, and now finally we are seeing that some of the shops in Pahalgam market have started opening up slowly, whether it's the Kashmiri craft, whether it's the dry fruit, whether it's the small time vendors. They've started coming back to the main market because we've seen in the last few days the tourist arrival in Pahalgam and across Jammu and Kashmir has a little bit increased, and that's why we're seeing that these business holders, especially these shopkeepers across the Pahalgam market, are coming back and starting their business again. Chief Minister Omar Abdullah also held the cabinet meeting in Pahalgam, while as he also met with the tour operators from across the country, around 60 of them in Jammu and Kashmir, and they're hopeful that within the next few days the tourism of Jammu and Kashmir will be restored.